Joining me on the panel at this point in time is Advocate Khushbu Jain, cybersecurity and social media expert. She's a senior lawyer as well. Also joining us on the show is Mr. Shamsher Khan Pathan, former ACP of Mumbai. Major Muhammad Ali Shah, he's an actor, obviously related to Bollywood, joins us on the platform as well. Nitin Satpute, senior lawyer, Mumbai, will be joining us momentarily. Major Muhammad Ali Shah, your thoughts on this? Is it true that Bollywood cases, Bollywood celebrity cases are susceptible to being taken out of context, and this is perhaps also something that happened here, that it was already assumed that Aryan Khan was consuming drugs because his friends were?
Bollywood is the center of attraction for everyone. Everybody is looking upon the film industry with micro lens. They are examining every single thing. So they are very much susceptible to anything. A small thing gets magnified into a large thing and a much is made about it. Well, laws are laws for everyone. Be it the president's son, film star's son, be it a laborer's son, fine. Laws are laws for everyone. But then in our country where murderers and rapists, forget about getting out on bail, they have not been arrested. I can cite various examples of these, even and people watching us know. On the other hand, Amit Desai, the advocate, he argued on Wednesday that on behalf of Aryan and Arbaz Merchant before Justice Nitin M. Samre, that under section 41A of the criminal procedure, a notice has to be given before an arrest. Here, they termed it as an illegal arrest.
Yes, very correct.
There was no notice given. So now when that had a lot of weight to it, because the moment, Shah Rukh Khan's son is there, he's a very big superstar, let's nab him. What about the big fish? What about let's end the drug menace. Let's end the drug menace. But what about the big fish who are actually dealing with drugs? What about the big fish who are actually doing international business with this? But here, no, we are after one target. Okay, one more thing. Logically speaking, 28 days back, I would like to ask our viewers, how many of them had heard Sameer Wankhade's name? Well, now he's trending. He's all over the place. Now, I am not branding him that he should be arrested because the Maharashtra government has also said they will not arrest Sameer Wankhade until High Court orders come through. Fine. But at least, I don't know what he was up to. I really don't know. I can't say, I'm not to say that. But yes, as an actor, I can definitely say actors are very much susceptible to this. A small thing gets magnified.
Yes.
I would like to see that, Reed.
Well. Are you of the opinion that the crime over here doesn't, or rather the punishment over here doesn't befit the kind of crime that Aryan Khan is supposedly, allegedly accused of?
Well, Reed, all I can say is
Mr. Satpute, Ali, that's for Mr. Satpute.
Mr. Major Muhammad Shah also said that many of these celebrities they are targeted by this NCB. Yeah. Have you seen that the NCB is allowing any layman to sit inside? These are all the conspiracy, and whatever is Shamsher Khan Pathan is also, he's right, and Major Muhammad Ali Shah also, he's correct. Sent to the rehabilitation center.
No, that is not for us. I'm so sorry, sir. I'll intervene. That is not for you and me to decide. That's practically just because.
There is a provision.
Yeah, there is a provision. Yes, there is a provision.
Under section 64A, under section 64A, they can ask for the immunity and they can say.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right, Mr. Pathan. Right, Mr. I'm going to take concluding thoughts from Muhammad Ali Shah. Muhammad Ali Shah, coming to you first.
Quickly wind up in 20 seconds. We say in the film industry, they are friends who are artificial, who do not stand by you. The people say that. But I think majority of the industry has stood up with Shah Rukh Khan. And today Shah Rukh Khan knows a friend in need is a friend indeed. Who has stood up with him? He at least knows now today who are his genuine friends first. Secondly, Minister of State Ramdas Athwale also said the same provision. He said a drug addict, a youngster like that should be sent to a rehab instead of jail. Second. And thirdly, in the last point, I would conclude by saying that here we have a case where a whole country has seen the example of, and I'm sure we all know the repercussions of drugs, and now hopefully, people will actually they'll be afraid to actually go near the consumption of drugs because they know what can ultimately happen to them.
Thank you everyone for being a part of this wonderful conversation.